Hi guys, balik ulit tayo rito, Moto Tour PH. Kalalarga natin guys, medyo tinamaan tayo ng pako. Ngayon, magkakaroon tayo ng tutorial how to remove this wheel, this rear wheel of Ninja 1000, para madala natin siya sa vulcanizing shop. Asan ba yung pako actually? Pakita ko sa inyo. I think ito we need to fix this guys, we need to fix this again. Ayan guys, medyo malaki siya, so nilagyan ko siya ng tire sealant previously pero bumalik, so I need to remove it again and talagang i-repair natin ng properly na guys. So samahan nyo ako guys, panoorin nyo ako how to fix this, okay? So guys, before we start, we should prepare all our things we need to use to remove the rear wheel of Ninja 1000, we prepare all the sets for crescent wrench and tools. We have a pliers, long nose pliers, and Allen wrench. Okay, we need Allen wrench to remove all the nuts. Okay, so firstly, we need to loosen. We need to loosen this bolt, these two bolts. Okay, after that, we have to remove this nut. Remove this nut and remove the calipers. Then remove this clip. Yeah, also do it on the other side also. Okay, so just watch me, okay? And the first instruction is we also need to put our bike in a paddock stand so that you can work freely here, okay, if you're removing your rear wheel. Okay, so watch me guys. Okay, I think this is firstly we need to loosen up this nut. This nut guys, this is a 14mm socket, so you need to loosen up these two nuts. Okay, you don't have to remove it, but you have to loosen it. Can you see I'm wearing my gloves? Okay, protect my hands, okay, kasi medyo hard job rin to, so I need to protect my hands guys. Loosen up like this. We don't have to remove this, okay? And do the same thing on the other side. Okay. There's a clip in here that need to be removed, but actually we're not removing it at all. We're just loosening it. Okay. We don't need to remove this bracket. We just need to loosen it so this caliper can be moved. Okay. Then we need the Allen wrench. I think this is 10 millimeter Allen wrench. This one needs to be removed. Wait guys, I need to get some solder in there. So guys, we already removed the nut from the caliper. Now we need to secure the the caliper so we can work, you know. Secure muna natin siya. We have zip tie. Secure this. Okay, maybe we can just put like that, okay? And then afterwards, after we remove the caliper, first we need to loosen these two bolts at the side. Okay, this is the bolt for the shaft. Okay, we need to have Allen wrench again. Just loosen it, okay? You don't have to remove it. Okay. Loose. Yeah. You don't have to remove it. Just loosen it. Okay. Just loose, okay? And we do the same on the other side. Okay, we loosened already. Then we need to remove the clip. We have to use the long nose pliers and remove this clip. Okay, for this side and the same on the other side. Okay. Then we have to remove the wheel. Okay. We have to remove the wheel. No, we need to make it forward. Okay? Forward. Anyway guys, I'm sorry. Before I did this, I took a picture of which stud the positioning is, you know. Kumuha ko ng litrato para makita ko kung ano yung original position nitong nut na to, no? And then, para mamaya may balik ko at the same time, at the same thing also. So guys, after we loosen the chain, we need to get the axle nut in here. To do this, first we also need to do here. We need 12mm Allen wrench. Not this one. Yeah. And we need to swing this. The axle nut. We have to remove the chain. We need to have a rub. We need to get a rub, damp cloth, so that we will not scratch the body of the bike. Okay, remove the chain. Okay, and then we will have something to rest it with. Okay. Now we have to push. Oh, there's an inner washer inside, okay? Do not forget. And this is on the top. This is on the top, okay? Now we need to push the axle itself to the left. We need to carry the wheel. See? It's coming out. Okay. And this is the axle. This is the axle, guys. This is the axle. Okay, we need to put it here. Okay. Later on, we need to grease it. There's a washer. A washer at the left side. You need to put it here. So later on, when we return it back, we must do the same steps also. Okay? I just want you to see, guys, the puncture of this tire that we need to fix. It's right here, guys. I don't know if you can see it. I'll show it to you. It's right here, guys. So we need to go to the tire repair shop, patch it, then balance it, and then put it back again. Okay, so I hope this helps to you guys, all Ninja 1000 user. And if you like this video, please comment, subscribe, and like my channel. And please do await to upcoming more videos. Okay, I'm sorry, guys, if I haven't uploaded anything yet, and I'm just quite so busy right now. So just take care, guys, and ride safe. Cheers. Bye. Moto Tour PH.